Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, I want to introduce Numba, that is a JIT compiler for Python codes. By the end of this lecture, we'll be able to use the Numba JIT compiler by simply adding a decorator to a function that we want to compile. So what is Numba? So Numba is produced by Continuum Analytics, and it is a just-in-time compiler. So it compiles at runtime. It specializes on NumPy code, but not only, also on other Python code. The major particularity is that Numba using the LLVM compiler infrastructure. So far, we've been using G++, GCC for C compiler. The Numba is based on LLVM compiler. So when you install it, you also need to install the part coming from the LLVM framework. It's just in time, so it does not require a pre-compilation pass. So when we run it against the new code, it compiles each annotated function for our hardware. The beauty of it is really that it's very simple to use. We just let the decorator telling which function we want to focus on, and then we let Numba to take over. Numba aims at running at all the standard NumPy code, but also all the Python code. The real difficulty of Numba is really the installation part. So Numba does not support all different machine, and it takes quite some time. So I mentioned that one of the difficulties of Numba is really the installation part and have available on the machine. I have to say that Numba has been rapidly evolving, so it's getting better and better. Also, he has support for more architecture. So if we use NumPy arrays and have non-vectorized code like we had in the previous lecture, Numba will do a good, very quick job without going through some difficult Cython or some other approach. So Numba does not bind to external C library, which Cython can do, but it can automatically generate code for GPUs, which Cython cannot. So Numba is very nice approach to basically say, I want to use this part of code on the GPU. We'll spend more time on talking about the GPUs in another course called DD2358, Applied GPU Programming. But for now, if you want to use GPU seamlessly in a Python code, my suggestion is to get Numba working. So one of the drawbacks of Numba is really the difficulty in installation, and that is coming from its toolchain. Numba uses LLVM, and he has many dependencies. So one recommendation is to use Numba, install Numba via Anaconda. Everything is actually provided. So getting Numba installed in a fresh environment can be very time consuming. Also some architecture, for instance, like the recent Mac M1 processors are not yet supported by Numba. So not all the platforms at the moment are supported. So how we use the Numba? Well, as I said, it's rather simple. Once you got install it, we imported the Numba module, particularly the JIT decorator, and then we simply add the decorator at a JIT in front of the function that we want to compile. So this is very simple. We just add the JIT decorator, and then all the machinery from LLVM is coming from this import. What is the Numba performance? Well, we can expect a performance that is close to what we achieve with the Cython. Remember, the Cython is ahead of time compilation approaches where we compile this C code as a library. This C code has been automatically generated by Cython for us. So the Numba gives pretty much the same performance with the Cython, but without the annotation effort, for instance, defining the type. If you run the same function a second time in the same Python section, it runs even faster because the compilation has been cached. So, and there is no need to compile the target function on the second pass. So in there's again the problem of the gold start that I mentioned before. So then the first is a little bit slower because we need to compile runtime, but then it's going to be faster. So to summarize, Numba is a powerful just-in-time compiler that is now maturing. So we'll support more architecture, more system, but do not expect magic on first attempt. One thing that we can do is to introspect the code that has been generated by Numba. The best approach when porting to Numba is actually to break the current code into small parts and then add it the decorator and see if they can compile or not and what are the problems with the compiler. So do not throw a large function because then you will get a lot of errors and you don't know where to start. So step by step, pretty much like debugging, and you use you extend the compilation of your code. This is the last slides of this lecture, and talk to you soon.